yeast. Let's try this. Activity. Bring active dry yeast from the market. Mix a spoonful of yeast, 2 spoonfuls sugar with a sufficient quantity of lukewarm water in a bottle. Fix a colorless, transparent balloon on the mouth of that bottle. What changes do you observe after 10 minutes? Mix lime water with the gas accumulated in the balloon. Collect that lime water in a beaker and observe it. What do you notice? Take a drop of the solution from the bottle on a glass slide, put a cover slip over it, and observe it under the compound microscope. Store the solution in the bottle carefully. Do you see the colorless oval cells of yeast on the slide? Some of those cells may have small round bodies attached to them. These are new daughter cells of yeast in the process of formation. This method of asexual reproduction is called budding. Yeast is a heterotrophic fungal microbe that grows on carbon compounds. Yeast is a unicellular fungus with 1,500 different species in existence. The yeast cell is a eukaryotic type of cell. In the experiment, yeast grows and multiplies very quickly due to the carbon compounds in the sugar solution. In the process of obtaining nutrition, yeast cells convert the carbohydrates in that solution into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This process is called fermentation. How is bread made? Find out how to use the solution prepared in the experiment to make bread. Follow the recipe and make the bread. Find out and note down the reasons why the dough rises and makes the bread spongy. Do you know? Often, alcohol is produced along with sugar in sugar factories. Molasses is produced from sugarcane juice. It is rich in carbohydrates. Molasses is fermented with the help of the yeast called Saccharomyces. In this process, ethanol, that is C2H5OH alcohol, is produced as a primary product and ester and other alcohols as secondary products. Spirit and other alcohols can be obtained from ethanol. Ethanol is also a smokeless and high-quality fuel. Besides molasses, maize, barley, and other grains are also used for industrial production of ethanol. Glucose and fructose, the sugars present in grape juice, are also fermented with the help of yeast to produce the alcohol which is used for making wines. Use your brain power. 1. Recently, it has been made compulsory in India and some other countries to mix 10% ethanol with fuels like petrol and diesel. What is the reason for this? 2. Why are wineries located near Nashik in Maharashtra? 3. Chapatis made from wheat only swell up, but bread becomes spongy, soft and easy to digest. Why is it so? Bioremediation. A yeast, Yerevia lipolytica, is used to absorb the toxins released during the production of palm oil and the heavy metals and minerals released in some other industrial processes. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for absorption of a pollutant, arsenic. Oil spills in oceans are cleaned with the help of alkanivorics bacteria.